Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at a familiar location. We are at the Jackson Hayward meet once again. It's a pretty nice day out today, finally, since the rain has been killing all these shows. But we got a good turnout. We got a line of Civics and a Jetta. But then also look at this, we got a Shelby Cobra. Really nice Cobra. And then got my personal favorite car, the 300ZX. We've seen this one before. And then we have a Volkswagen Bug. We got tons of more really nice cars, still cars pulling up. But yeah, we're gonna just walk around, take a look at all the nice builds and have a good time. We have two really nice S2000s. I really like this one, like the matte black and like all the mods done to it. I mean, look at this. The interior got a racing seat, and then got some carbon fiber, pretty sick. And then we got a Lotus Evora, really nice color on this one. And then an Acura, and oh no, the 240 scraped. That's gotta hurt. Hopefully my camera caught that. This is a real Toyota Aristo, because look at this, it's right-hand drive. Nice, that's impressive. Look at this 370, has a bash bar. This guy probably drifts. Got a Ford Focus and some Subies. And then look at this FD RX-7, pretty clean. Like the wheels, and who knows what's under the hood. Really nice 944, and gives the 240 that almost pulled off his bumper. Sounds pretty good. Subi and a couple of Infinities. And then look at this, got a bagged Supra, and then even got more Supras over here, and then even more Supras. And yeah, here's the main section of the show. You got the purple GTR. We've seen this guy like 3 times in a row already. And then BRZ, and then the STI, and then look at this Porsche Carrera. This has got to be one of my favorite generations of Porsche 911. I mean, they just look so good. And then you got a Volkswagen Bug, and then you got a slammed Datsun pickup truck. This thing is wild. We got our buddy here, the blue GTR Nismo. Really nice seeing this guy. We have a classic Datsun 1600S. This is really nice. And look at this, we got a couple GTRs pulling up. Both have the same wheels and tires. That's pretty sick, matching GTRs. We have a 240, and then you got some really nice Datsun 240Zs. And I believe this is the host of the show right here. 240 RBZ, and a wide body 240 Datsun pickup. We have the second 300ZX. This one is really clean. We got some TEs, really nice gray, and this is a twin turbo, I believe. But yeah, turbo ZX, really nice. These are two really nice Datsun 510s. This one has a wide body, and this one has like its fenders flared out. And then you get a 240Z, a really nice Civic Type R right here. Look at this, this guy's back. If you remember in the Subaru video, I didn't know what this was, but spoke to the owner. Yeah, this is a Mitsubishi Lancer wagon. Basically, this is like the Nissan Stagea for Mitsubishi, because people have been doing like Evo swaps, like what this guy's doing, like just how like people do like the GTR swap on the Stagea. But yeah, really sick though. I can't wait to see how this build goes. And then really nice Datsun 510 in the corner. Really nice Toyota Altiza right next to a really clean 240 SX. And then pretty sure this is a Lexus LS, really nice. And then you have a Toyota Cressida right beside, really clean. I really like these two. We have two S14 Zenkis. This one though is really clean. Look at the engine. Yeah, I really like the stealthy look on this. And then this one is just clean look, really like it. and we have a 510, and this is a Koki. In my opinion, I prefer the Koki since it does look a little bit more aggressive, but let me guys know what you think in the comments. Koki or Zenki? We have the row of GTRs. This is sick right here. You have two matching GTRs and then a white R35 in the back. We got more cars pulling up. I believe that's a stock S14 Koki. And then we have a Mark III Supra, and we have Sylvia LB in his S14. Probably my favorite S14 in the Bay. Look at this. We have a Toyota Mark II. We always see this one. This is very clean. And of course it's registered in Montana. Why wouldn't it be? But other than that, really love these Mark IIs. Look at that. We got an IS with Tesla wheels and no back bumper. Look at here. We have another 300ZX. That makes it 3 300ZXs at the show. Look at that. 86, and the meat actually extends down here. So we got two really nice Datsuns and a Lexus GS, an Integra, and we got two Celicas. This one's really clean though, the black one. We have a Supra revving. Sounds pretty good. This Lancer's been revving. Sounds pretty good. Damn, look at this 510. Pretty sure this is V8 swapped. That is insane. Okay, there's a 370 two-stepping. Who just arrived all the way in the corner. We have a new Nissan Z. This is the same one that we saw the last time we went here. He's been getting more and more common. Yeah, nice to see these out on the road again. Y'all, I think this ends today's video. Basically covered everything. It was nice coming out to the Jackson Hayward meet once again on this really nice day. But anyway, if you liked the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.